Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. And if you're an oldie pagada goodie, you know I love you. You guys are amazing. I appreciate the support and I forever will. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 hairstyles that you can rock on your TWA and go out there for Valentine's Day. I thought it would be so fitting. At first I was like, let me not do a Valentine's Day video, you know. Then I was like, you know what? Actually, I need to dish up some good stuff for y'all. So these are 3 edgy bun hairstyles that you can rock to wherever you're going. If you're going out on a date, if you don't have a date and you just want to look sexy for yourself, babe, these are 3 hairstyles that you can try out. And I love it. I think this is by far my favorite, but I don't know, guys. You might be seeing me rocking these around town, so yeah, don't be shocked. Anyways, enjoy the videos. You know, guys, I love you so much. Have a beautiful Valentine's Day and have a beautiful day. Kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye. Can I just shock you all and let you know that I did not use any gel at all for any of these hairstyles. I used the Jabu Stone Natural Hair Care Invisi Wax, which is a high shine and no build out in quotations gel. It's usually used by people who lock their hair, but yeah, it's amazing. So I'm just going to part my hair into triangles, and for this hairstyle, I've parted it into 7 triangles just to make sure that the buttonets look cute and extremely edgy. I figured the triangles would bring that extra bit of edge. Like I said, these are all going to be edgy Valentine's Day hairstyles that you can try on yourself. And then now I'm just going to take a section of my darling hair extensions. Depending on what you want the looks to be like, you can go for a more textured braid like the kinky braid or Molly braid, but I didn't mind the shine. I thought it would make it a tad bit edgier. So now all you need to do is braid that on, twist it, and then turn it and twist around to create your bantu knot, and then you keep going. And as you can see, those triangles are bomb. And then of course, be better than me, guys, and I have some of your lines, especially at the back, in a straight line. Ask Bay to do it for you because it's rough out here. And then there you have it, your very first hairstyle. Add some beads and you'll be popping. And now for our second hairstyle. Our second hairstyle is pretty easy. Like I said, these are all hairstyles that you can do in under 30 minutes depending on your parting capabilities, because the first bunch knots one took me, I think, about 40 minutes because, oh my gosh, those partings were rough. Now you're just going to part your hair in the middle, and then you're going to section those two the front away from the rest, because that's where you're going to be putting your buns. And African threading is your friend. If you're one of those people that can do African threading using braids, then go ahead and do it. What I decided to do is I used my Brazilian wool, because like I said again, I think the shininess of the wool itself brings a little bit of edge, and then I just African threaded from the back. If you're a talented braider and you can cornrow from the back going up, go ahead and do it. It will again make the style a way more edgier. And if you have longer hair, it means that you can twist it and join the twist using elastic bands, but I have very short hair, so African threading was my one and only option. But like I said, African threading using your Brazilian wool will take you far, and Brazilian wool is so cheap. I think it goes for 20 rand or less for 70 grams. So now you just African thread, then you go into the front, you join that, you use your darling braid again, and then you create your bun right in the front. So now you have like a top bun and then braids and African threading at the back. And I mean, what could be edgier than that? It's cute, it's stylish, it's edgy, it's modern, and it's different. I mean, not everyone wants to go out on a date with a freaking halo braid, okay? So yeah, there you have it, guys. Go out there and slay them for Valentine's Day with your 2 front buns. That's just me slaying, y'all. And then for the last style. What you're going to do for this style is you're just going to, first of all, well, I had to comb my hair first, but what you're going to do is you're going to part your hair into 3, depending first of all on length of hair, how many sections you actually want. You can have as many sections as you want. The good thing about all of these hairstyles is you can make them your own. If you want 5 partings instead of 3, then go ahead and do it. You want it to be fun, you want it to be you. You could even add color to these hairstyles just to make it all about you, because today is more about celebrating yourself, your love for yourself, more than maybe even couples. So go ahead and section your hair. I'm going to section my hair into 3 equal parts, and I'm going to section them in sort of like a V. So I start by my ears going up, and then I section that out, and then the middle parting is going to be straight down, so that I have that cute cut, straight cut style right there in the middle. And then again, I am going to go in with my Jabu Stone Natural Hair Care Invisi Wax, which is so great, and I don't think it's as harsh as using certain gels on your hair. And you can literally comb through when you don't want the hairstyle anymore. But like I said, I'm just trying this out, so I actually don't know what its effects are, how long it lasts. So I will come back to you guys with a review. So now all you need to do is apply your Jabu Stone Invisi Wax gel where you need it, and then section your hair using scrunchies, and then do the same for the front. Comb it down, stick your hair down, and then go on ahead and add your darling braid. What you're going to do with your darling braid, honeys, is you're going to knot it in the front, like tie a knot in the front, twist it, and then go around, creating almost like a bantu knot, but a high top bantu knot, or down your head. So you'll have 3 high top bantu knots, and that's it. You have your hairstyle. So there you go. You're going to knot your hair. make sure it's tight. You don't want it dropping at a dinner date. Twist, and then go around and create your knot. And there you have it, guys. 3 easy edgy hairstyles that you can achieve in less than 30 minutes. If you have a gel already at home, that makes it easier. If you want to go ahead and try the Jabu Stone and come back to me and tell me how it's working for your hair, so that when I finally bring you guys a review, I also have information from other people, that would be great. But I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. Go out there and slay them. Bye. Thank you so much for watching Madiwa Wangu. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a beautiful day and a beautiful Valentine's Day. And if you don't have a Valentine, I'll be your Valentine. So feel free to drop me your cute little message. Yeah, I'm that selfish Valentine, so don't expect messages from me. Just send me messages, okay? Anyways, guys, I hope you have a beautiful day and a beautiful rest of the week. I love you so much, and I hope that you really did enjoy the videos. If there's anything that you guys would like me to bring for you, don't hesitate. Please leave it in the comment section below. Now subscribe. I'm waiting. Isn't you said you want me as babe? I'm demanding, baby. I demand love, extraness, sharing, subscriptions. Anyways, Valiwa Wangu, enjoy the rest of your day.